Welcome to the in front of me STK Life 9, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So that's really simply. You should just press here on the right side of your device from 1 to your volume buttons. And here you'll see the bell icon. Just tap here on the bell icons twice and you'll see the message that your calls and notifications will be muted. That means that you just activate your silent mode. And if you want to just turn off your silent mode, just tap here again to one from your volume buttons and tap once only to your bell icon, and you'll see the message that your calls and notifications will ring. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.